Okay. What time is this? It's about 8 o'clock. This is during the Derby. But unfortunately, they won't let us enter the Derby.
But we're too good. Too damn good.
See, the Delta Rat, we're on again.
Too many. We threw it away a lot.
Yeah, what is this? 6? The 6, 7 one already?
Yeah.
Hey, it's already up. Let's see, what's the flashlight, man? Yeah, see that shit.
That's a keeper, man.
Nah, still puny, dude.
Look at it. Look.
Damn.
Look. It's
It's
not
like
small, dude. Look.
It's up to you. Want to bring it up? Here, you want to hold it?
Get the net.
Net
Faster,
again?
yeah. Net's faster. That don't even right.
Okay, wait. Let's see if I can do one hand. Okay, what the fuck is that? Wait, let me get the net right. Beautiful half moon, I guess.
It's called Half Moon Rio. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Look. See?
One hand net.
Look how.
Okay, here it is.
Is that a good size?
No, it's not a keeper though. Whoa, 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 whoa. Here, okay.
Like what, 36?
I don't know. We'll see, but it's gonna be let go. This is such a beautiful night. Look, not a ripple in the water.
Hey, that's big, right?
Well, you want to measure it? Measure it. You want to measure it? Or you want to tag that little thing or what? Nope. Okay then. What do you want to do?
Look at that.
Man, it's so peaceful. It's freaking awesome. Look at that sturgeon. It's star 671, huh? 7-1 today.
Yep.
Jeez, man. And the bite is still hot. Yeah, let that fucker go. He is going back. Healthy, healthy, healthy. Oh, there he goes. Delta, the river rat. The Delta rat spot.
You hurt these fish in this rock.
Oh, man. Okay.
Go
It's up to you. Well, look at this. We caught one. That's going to be my dinner for the night right there. A 19-inch striper. Okay? That's my dinner. No secret. Telling the truth.
We just know what to apply.
Okay. See if we can hook up another one before we go. But I got my RV out here. So I don't look like I'm going to be sleeping out here. Not on the boat, but my RV. Yeah, I'll leave that shit on.